More consumers are buying online than ever before, and more people are subscribing than ever before.
Are there businesses out there that you think should be thinking about subscription?
All of them.
The e-commerce economy of 2030 is now. It's today. This is the new subscription landscape. This is SubSummit Virtual. In a time of disconnect, people are looking for connections, and subscriptions and memberships are thriving.
We had renewal rates in excess of 95%.
What's happening in the world of subscriptions today is pushing this industry further than ever before. Businesses with subscription components have a 5 to 10x greater valuation.
Lululemon's first acquisition year, buying Mirror for $500 million.
Tomorrow is about taking our businesses to the next level.
It's not just converting and selling them a gallon of milk. It's all about not only acquiring that customer, but retaining them into the long term.
It's about reducing churn and creating long-term customer engagement.
Membership is about how you treat the people you serve.
The subscription model is not new, but its acceleration we've seen in recent years is tremendous.
Subscriptions as a segment has grown 100% year over year.
Companies that have traditionally seen their customers as consumers now see them as members, as subscribers. Subscriptions are forever.